Hi students, welcome to Prabhacharan Academic Channel. In this video, we will see about respiratory system. Let's start. Number 1. Air directly enters the trachea through the larynx. 2. Covering of lung is called pleural membrane. The open into the windpipe or trachea is called glottis. The mountain sickness in person climbing to high altitudes without the aid of oxygen cylinders is due to answer C. Atrial hypoxia. Next, the iron containing hemoglobin pigment is a answer A protein. 6. Major part of CO2 is transported to respiratory surface is answer A HCO3 shift. Next, 7. Silicated epithelium in the trachea of mammals helps in answer C pushing mucus out. Next, 8. Emphysema is a respiratory disease in which answer D the gas exchange area of lungs is decreased. Next, 9. The oxygen pressure in the alveolar air is answer C double of that in human capillaries. 10. In all vertebrates the oxygen transport is through answer B hemoglobin. Next, 11. The regulatory center for respiration situated in the answer C medulla oblongata. Next, 12. Color of oxyhemoglobin is answer C bright red color. Next, 13. The rate of respiration is lowest at answer A sleeping. Next, 14. The functional unit of the lung is answer B alveolus. 15. All are lung disease except answer B pericarditis. Next, 16. The maximum volume of inspirable air is called answer C inspiratory capacity. 17. Anoxia means answer C both A and B. And A absence of oxygen. Next, diminished amount of oxygen delivered to the tissue. Next, 18. The term used to denote the difference in volume between the total lung capacity and the vital capacity is answer C residual volume. Next, 19. If the CO2 content of blood increase the breathing shall answer A increase. Next, 20. The vibration of which of this membrane produce vocal sound? B answer vocal cords. 21. Internal respiration refers to answer B cellular respiration. Next, 22. The carbon dioxide pressure in the lung capillaries is answer B more than that in alveolar air. Next, 23. The oxygen content of expired air in man is answer C 16%. Next, 24. A normal man respires in a minute answer C 14 to 18 minutes. Next, 25. The membrane covering the lungs is answer B pleura. Next, 26. Pulmonary artery means answer C delivers blood to lungs low in oxygen. Next, 27. The average tissue fluid pressure of oxygen is answer D 40 mm of Hg. 28. The respiratory tubes devoid of cartilaginous ring are answer C bronchioles. Next, 29. The condition in which the body suffers from acute oxygen shortage is called answer D hypoxia. Next, 30. Carbonic anhydrase is mostly active in answer A RBCs. Next, 31. In response to high altitude hypoxia, supply of oxygen to the tissue is maintained by answer A all of this. Increased alveolar ventilation and increased cardiac output. B. Shift in the hemoglobin desoccation curve to the right. C. Increased erythrocytes and hemoglobin content of blood. Next, 32. The respiratory disease immediately related to cigarette smoking is answer D emphysema. Next, 33. The greatest volume of air that can expire after a maximum inspiration affect is it answer C vital capacity. 34. Oxygen is transported to every cell of the body through answer A RBC. Next, 35. The metal associated with hemoglobin is answer C iron. Next, 36. In which of the following persons the alveolar ventilation per minute is greatest? Answer D 1000 ml volume per minute 6 ventilation 6000 ml per minute. Next, 37. To take air into the lungs the diaphragm must be flattened. 38. In frog the alveoli are surrounded by answer B columnar and ciliated cells to increase the surface area of lungs. 39. Dead space is answer A upper respiratory tract. Next, 40. The substance undergoing slow oxidation in the body during respiration are known as answer B metabolites. Next, 41. One molecule of hemoglobin carries answer D 4 molecule of O2. Next, 42. Which of the following can respire in total absence of air? Answer D tapeworm. 43. During inspiration in mammals the diaphragm shall answer A contract. 44. In rabbits respiration takes place in all living cells of the body. Next, 45. Among the following, the maximum amount of usable energy is released per molecule of glucose by answer C, an amoeba in aerobic respiration. Next, 46. The respiratory portion of the respiratory tract consists of answer C, respiratory bronchioles, alveolar ducts, alveolar sacs, and alveoli. Next, 49. In a man at rest, the body cell consumed approximately answer D, 200 ml of oxygen per minute. Next, 48. Diaphragm is characteristic of D, all the mammals. Egg laying mammals only, marsupial mammals only, eutherian mammals only. Next, 49. Oxygen will diffuse through a membrane only if it is moist. 50. The impulse reaching voluntary muscles for forced breathing originated from answer A, medulla oblongata. Thank you. 51. Expression after full inspiration is called vital capacity. 52. The end product of anaerobic respiration is answer B, lactic acid. 53. The function of tracheal hair is to answer A, pass mucus out. 54. The dissociation curve of HB is answer B, sigmoid. 55. The RQ is ratio of oxygen to taken into carbon dioxide liberated. Next, 56. The cellular respiration differs from breathing in that in cellular respiration. Answer D. Oxygen is released into the cells from oxyhemoglobin. Next, 57. In which form CO2 is carried in the blood? Answer B. Sodium bicarbonate. Next, 58. The combination of oxygen with hemoglobin in lung can be promoted by answer A. Decreasing oxygen concentration in the blood. Next, 59. Mammalian lungs have enormous number of minute alveoli or air sacs to allow answer A. More surface area for diffusion of gases. Next, 60. Hamburger's phenomena is also known as chloride shift. Answer C. Next, 61. In mammals, the ventilation movements of lungs are governed by answer D. Hyoid, costal muscles, and costa. Next, 62. In an asthmatic patient, the size of the lung gradually answer A increases. Next, 63. In expression, answer C. Ribs are lowered, diaphragm becomes dome shaped, thoracic shape is narrowed. Next, 64. Which of the following has no blood but respires? Answer B. Hydra. Next, 65. Dissociation curve is associated with answer B. Oxyhemoglobin. Next, 66. Whales respire through answer A. Lungs. Next, 67. The product of tidal volume and number of breaths per minute is called minute respiratory volume, which is approximately 6 liters at rest. During strenuous exercise, it may rises to answer D. 150 liters. Next, 68. Symptoms of altitude sickness become so severe that a person cannot survive without supplementary oxygen at answer C. 6,000 meters above sea level. Next, 69. Asphyxia may be caused by answer D. All of this. Drowning, pneumonia, carbon dioxide poisoning. Next, 70. Adam's apple in man is answer B. Thyroid cartilage of larynx. Next, 71. The process of respiration is concerned with answer D. Liberation of energy. Next, 72. Respiratory mechanism is controlled by answer A. Central nervous system. Next, 73. Which of the following prevents collapsing of trachea? Answer D. Cartilaginous ring. 74. No special respiratory organs are found in answer B. Earthworm. Next, 75. Which of the following gases makes the most stable combination with the hemoglobin of red blood cells? Answer B. Carbon monoxide. Next, 76. During inspiration, the ribs are raised and diaphragm stretched. Next, 77. Bohr effect is answer B. The effect of carbon dioxide on the release of oxygen from hemoglobin. Next, 78. Bronchoconstriction occurs answer C. Both A and B in allergic attacks. Next, due to histamine secretion. Next, 79. External respiration is the diffusion of gases between Answer C. Alveoli of lungs and blood capillaries. Next, 80. Percentage of oxygen present in inhaled air in man is about. Answer A. 21%. Next, 81. Pleurisy is. Answer D. Inflammation of pleura with the secretion of fluid which accumulates in the cavity between the lungs and chest wall. Next, 82. Muscular fatigue is due to D. Accumulation of lactic acid in muscles. Next, 83. The amount of air normally inspired and expired is called. Answer C. Tidal volume. Next, 84. An increase in carbon dioxide concentration shift the oxygen dissociation curve to the right because. Answer C. A higher carbon dioxide concentration causes more oxygen to be given up from HbO2 at any given oxygen partial pressure. Next, the subatmospheric pressure of intrapleural fluid is maintained. Answer A. Always, even in the absence of breathing. Next, 86. A substance of great need for transport of CO2 is. Answer D. Carbonic anhydrase. Next, 87. During normal expiration at rest in man. Answer C. Both A and B. The external intercostal muscle relax. The internal intercostal muscles relax. Next, 88. If the thoracic wall is punctured. Answer B. Man dies as the lungs are collapsed. Next, 89. If the RQ is more than 1, the respirable matter is. Answer D. Organic acids. Next, 90. Exchange of gases occurs in. Answer C. Alveoli. Next, 91. The relative proportion between the volume of carbon dioxide released and oxygen absorbed in respiration is termed as. Answer B. Respiratory quotient. Next, 92. During hibernation, the frog respires by. Answer A. Skin only. 93. At 20 degrees Celsius, the most favorable condition for a frog to respire through. Answer B. Cutaneous respiration. Next, 94. In man, the structure with functions similar to spiracles of cockroaches are. Answer B. Nostrils. Next, 95. RQ is not less than 1 in. Answer A. Carbohydrates. Next, 96. The PO2 in the inspired and expired air in man at sea level is. Answer C. 152 mmHg and 120 mmHg respectively. Next, 97. A metabolically active tissue extracts more oxygen from oxyhemoglobin. This is known as Bohr effects. Next, 98. The inadequate supply of oxygen to tissue is called. Answer A. Hypoxia. Next, 99. 100 ml of blood of man can carry about. Answer C. 20 ml of oxygen and 55 ml of carbon dioxide. At last, 100. The pleura helps in breathing because. Answer A. They have a lubricating effect. Next, 101. In frog, the CO2 released in tissue respiration is transported by blood as. Answer B. Sodium bicarbonate in plasma. Next, 102. A mammal consumes nearly the same volume of oxygen as the volume of carbon dioxide proceeds. This will be true if the energy source is. Answer A. Carbohydrate. Next, 103. Inhalation of air containing carbon monoxide causes suffocation in man because. Answer. Hemoglobin combines with carbon monoxide instead of oxygen and the product cannot dissociate. Next, 104. Residual volume in the lungs of mammals is. Answer C. The air that is left in the lungs even after deepest possible expiration. Next, 105. The left lung of rabbit is composed of 2 lobes. Next, 106. In an organism, utilization carbohydrate as source of energy anaerobically, the RQ is likely to be. Answer C. 1.0. Next, 107. The number of lobes in the right lung. The number of lobes in the right lung of rabbit is. Answer 4. Next, the diffusion of oxygen in the alveolar surface depends upon. Answer A. Oxygen concentration gradient on other side of alveoli. Next, 109. Larynx consists of answer A. Cartilaginous framework around glottis. Next, 110. During inspiration, answer B. The rib muscles and diaphragm contract. Next, 111. The extent to which oxygen will combine with HB depends on a single most important factor. Answer A. PO2. Next, 112. Forced deep breathing for a few minutes by a person sitting at rest may be followed by a temporary cessation of breathing. This is due to answer C. Very little carbon dioxide in blood. Next, 113. The process in which chloride ion passes into RDP and bicarbonate ions passes out is called answer A. Chloride shift. Next, 114. BCG vaccine is used to curb answer D. Tuberculosis. BCG vaccine is used to cure, not curb. Answer D. Tuberculosis. Next, 115. Ratio of oxyhemoglobin and hemoglobin in the blood is based upon answer A. Oxygen tension. Next, 116. In anaerobic respiration, answer A. Oxygen is taken in. Next, 117. The tracheal cartilaginous ring in mammals are answer C. Incomplete dorsally. Next, 118. In a healthy man, the normal total volume of air during inspiration is about answer B. 500 by 700 ml. 119. The sum of inspiratory and expiratory capacity is known as answer B. Vital capacity. Next, 120. The efficiency of ventilation of lungs in mammals is better when compared to reptiles and birds, as mammals have answer C. Diaphragm. Next, 121. During inspiration, the pressure of air is highest in the answer D. Gap between lungs and rest of chest. Next, 122. In anaerobic respiration, for one glucose molecule, ATP are formed. Answer D. 4 ATP. Next, 123. Asthma is a respiratory disease caused due to answer D. Spasm in bronchial muscles. 124. The respiratory organs of spiders and arachnids are answer D. Book lungs. Next, 125. In mammals, most of the CO2 is transported as bicarbonates of sodium and potassium in the blood. It is between answer C. 80 to 85%. Next, 126. In the process of respiration, the energy used is answer C. Chemical energy. Next, 127. Breathing is lacking in answer A. Earthworm. Next, 128. Rate and depth of respiration shall increase when answer B. Carbon dioxide concentration increase. Next, 129. The magnitude of pH difference between atrial and venous blood is to the tune of 0.01 to 0.5. Next, 130. In a normal person, 1 liter of atrial blood contains approximately answer C. 3 ml of O2 physically dissolved and 197 ml O2 bonded to HB. Next, 131. The major effect of hyperventilation as sensed by the respiratory center in medulla is answer D. Decrease the CO2 in the blood. Next, 132. Adult frog breathes through answer B. Skin and lungs and buccal cavity. Next, 133. The protective role for the air passes is not played by answer A. Cartilage ring. Next, 134. Exposure to carbon monoxide can kill a patient because answer B. COBH deprives blood of its ability to transport O2. Next, 135. According to a normal oxygen dissociation curve, hemoglobin is nearly 90% saturated at answer C. PO2 60 mmHg. Next, 136. Which of the following increase the rate of RBC production? Answer D. Low O2 content of inspired air. Next, 137. The decrease in temperature of a chamber by 7 degrees Celsius, which was early 30 degrees Celsius, the amount of heat given off by a rat in this chamber will answer B. Decrease. 138. The tidal volume in man is answer B. 500 ml. Next, 139. The respiratory surface is answer D. An evolutionary adaptation to the habit. Next, 140. The wall of trachea consists of answer C. Inner epithelium, outer connective tissue and middle layer of cartilage, rings embedded in smooth muscles. Thank you. Let's see in next video. Hi students, welcome to Prabhacharan Academy channel. Let's start MCQs on metabolism. Question number 1. The normal renal blood flow amount to Answer D. 1700 liters per day. Number 2. A person consuming a large amount of fish and meat will excrete urine rich in. Answer B. Urea. Next, third one. Excretion refers to the removal of. Answer D. The waste products of the organism metabolism. Fourth one. Birds and reptiles excrete their nitrogenous waste in the form of. Answer D. Uric acid. Next, fifth one. Total volume of blood passing through the kidney in 1 minute is about. Answer C. 1200 ml. Next, sixth one. The hormone which converts angiotensinogen to angiotensin is. Answer B. Renin. Next, seventh one. The vessels carrying blood into the Bowman's capsule in kidney of frog is known as. Answer A. Afferent arteriole. Then 8. Urea is synthesized in. Answer D. Liver. Next, ninth one. The liquid which collects in the cavity of Bowman's capsule is. Answer B. Blood plasma minus blood proteins. Next, 10th one. Malpighian bodies are found in. Answer A. Kidney of vertebrates and is involved in ultrafiltration. Next, 11th. Ammonia is the chief nitrogenous excretory material in. Answer D. Amphibians. Next, 12th one. In kidney, the pressure gradient or the effective filtration pressure, that means EFP, is determined by. Answer D. All of this. Let's start. A, B, C. A. Glomerular hydrostatic pressure. B. Capsular hydrostatic pressure. Then C. Blood colloidal osmotic pressure. These three are correct. Then 13. Under normal condition, which one is completely reabsorbed in the renal tubule? Answer D. Glucose. Next, 14. The conversion of ammonia into urea occurs in liver. Next, 15. A condition in which urine contains blood is termed as. Answer C. Hematuria. Next, 16. Vitamin excreted in urine by higher vertebrates is. Answer D. C. Next, 17. In the kidney of rabbit, the loops of Henle are found in. Answer A. Medulla. Next, 18. Loop of Henle is concerned with. Answer A. Excretory system. Next, 19. The loop of Henle is poorly developed or absent in dash as it is concerned with reabsorption of water. Answer A. Desert mouse. Next, 20. The plasma passing through the glomerulus loses about. Answer B. 20% of its volume as filtrate. Next, 21. The final concentration of the fluid to produce a markedly hypertonic urine takes place in the. Answer C. Collecting tubule. Next, 22. Urea is transported by. Answer D. Plasma. Next, 23. In which animal the excretory substance is ammonia? Answer D. Freshwater fish. Next, 24. In rabbit, the urinary bladders opens in. Answer B. Urethra. Next, 25. The least toxic nitrogenous waste is. Answer B. Uric acid. Next, 26. Diuresis is the condition in which. Answer A. The excretion of volume of urine increase. Next, 27. In mammalian kidney, the pyramids are seen in. Answer C. Medulla. Next, 28. Liquid part of blood having undergone ultrafiltration from the glomerulus and reaching the Bowman's capsule normally would not contain. Answer D. Albumin. Next, 29. In normal adult humans, glomerular filtration rate, that means GFR, is on an average. Answer D. 180 liters per day. Next, 30. When urine is allowed to stand, it gives strong ammoniacal odor due to. Answer B. Conversion of urea to ammonia by bacteria. Next, 31. In which part of excretory system of a mammal can you first use the term urine for the fluid it contains? Answer C. Collecting tubule. Next, 32. The highest concentration of urea is found in. Answer D. Hepatic vein. Next, 33. The blood leaves the glomerulus by. Answer B. Afferent arteriole. Next 34. The normal glomerular filtration rate in man is answer A 125 ml per minute. Next 35. Which of the following is not a structure of kidney? Answer D urethra. Next 36. Workers in deep mines usually suffer from dehydration as answer D water is lost along with salts in the form of sweat. Answer next 37. The plasma resembles in its composition with the filtrate produced in the glomerulus except for the presence of answer D none of this. Next 38. Liquid which collects in the cavity of Bowman's capsule is answer B plasma minus blood proteins. Next 39. Coulombs of Bertini in the kidney of mammals are formed as extension of answer C cortex into medulla. Next 40. In kidney, glucose is mainly absorbed by answer C proximal convoluted tubule. Next 41. Of the 180 liters of glomerular filtrate produced each day, the amount of reabsorption is answer D 99%. Next 42. Kidney's function is to answer D all of this. Answer A remove metabolic waste from the body. B maintain a constant fluid environment. Next C maintain pH of body fluids. These three are correct. Next 43. Water absorption in the loop of Henle and distal part of tubule is controlled by answer A antidiuretic hormone. Next 44. Separation of amino acid into amino and carboxyl groups is known as answer A deamination. Next 45. In man, the kidney are answer C metanephric. Next 46. In ancestral vertebrates, the kidney is known as answer B aglomerular type. Next 47. Malpighian corpuscle in vertebrate kidney. Answer B consists of glomerulus, Bowman's capsule. Next 48. The renal threshold for glucose in blood of man is answer B 150 mg per 100 ml. Next 49. The filtrate from glomerulus contains answer A blood without blood cells and proteins. Next 50. Which of these are uricotelic? Answer B lizard. Question number 51. Green glands are excretory in function which are found in answer D crayfishes. Next 52. Which of the following set of animals produce the same substance as their chief excretory product? Answer C man, dog and camel. Next 53. Excretion in the form of uric acid and uterus in birds is helpful in answer C conserving body water. Next 54. Bitter canal in frog is found in answer B kidney. Next 55. The condition in which large amount of glucose is excreted through urine is called answer B glycosuria. Next 56. In mammals, the ammonia formed of the metabolism of proteins is converted into urea for excretion because answer A ammonia is more toxic than urea. Next 57. In fever, too much of sugar may increase elimination in urine of answer B glucose. Next 58. Which of the following match is wrong? Answer D crustacea. Malpighian tubules is wrong. The correct is A, B, C. A amoeba contractile vacuole. Next B tinea flame cells. Next C man kidney. Next 59. The pressure of blood in the glomerular capillaries which derives the fluid out of the glomerulus into the cavity of Bowman's capsule is answer D 70 mmHg. Next 60. Loss of kidney function result in answer D uremia, edemia, acidosis and increased K plus concentration in blood. Next 61. The structure and functional unit of kidney is answer B nephron. Next 62. The reflex action initiated by special sensory nerve ending located in the urinary bladder is called answer D micturition. Next 63. The filtrate from the glomerulus contains answer D urea, uric acid, glucose and water. Next 64. The nephrostomies in the kidney are function-able in answer C
tadpole. Next 65. What causes the liquid part of blood to filter out from glomerulus into the renal tubule? Answer B. Hydrostatic pressure. Next 66. In prawn, excretion is done by answer B. Green glands. Next 67. The kidney are separated from the abdominal cavity by a membrane called the answer B. Peritoneum. Next 68. Angiotensin stimulates the adrenal cortex to produce answer D. Aldosterone. Next 69. The distal end of the proximal convoluted tubule forming ascending and descending limbs is called answer D. Loop of Henle. 70. Besides micturition, another important mechanism for eliminating water from the body is answer C. Defecation. Next 71. ADH influences the reabsorption of answer C. Water. Next 72. Malpighian tubules are the excretory organs in answer A. Cockroach. Next 73. The most common causes of metabolic body water is answer D. Obesity. Next 74. In mammals, the kidney lie asymmetrical in the abdominal cavity, the left one being lower. It is due to the presence of answer B. Stomach. Next 75. In a mammalian kidney, loops of Henle are situated in answer B. Medulla. Next 76. Urea in human urine is derived from the breakdown of answer B. Amino acids. Next 77. On a cool and wet day, it is observed that a large quantity of urine is passed out by people. This is because answer C. Not much water is lost from the body by the way of sweat. Next 78. One of the symptoms of high blood pressure may be excess of urination and is due to answer B. Increased rate of ultrafiltration. Next 79. In a young embryo of amniotes, the excretory materials are stored in answer B. The allantois. Next 80. The hormone aldosterone from the adrenal cortex stimulates answer D. All of this. Answer A. Elimination of potassium. B. Reabsorption of chloride. C. Reabsorption of sodium. Next 81. Animals in which nitrogen is excreted predominantly as urea are called as answer A. Ureotelic. Next 82. For hypertoxicity, urea is retained in answer D. Elasmo branches. Next 83. Waste products of adenine and guanine metabolism are excreted by man as answer B. Urea. Next 84. Least concentration of urea is present in answer B. Renal vein. Next 85. Kidney in mammals are formed from answer C. Metanephrons. Next 89. Renin is a hormone secreted from answer A. Kidney. Next 87. Aldosterone, a hormone which influences secretion of sodium by the kidney tubules, is secreted from answer C. Adrenal cortex. Next 88. A condition of failure of kidney to form urine is answer C. Anuria. Next 89. The separation of macromolecules from small molecules and ions can be accompanied by answer A. Dialysis. Next 90. The reabsorption of water in the kidney is under the control of hormone. Answer D. ADH. Next 91. Excretory products of mammal embryo are eliminated out by answer A. Placenta. Next 92. The yellow color of urine of vertebrates is due to answer B. Urochrome. Next 93. Which one of the following is likely to accumulate in a dangerous portion in the blood of a person whose kidney is not working? Answer A. Urea. Next 94. Filtration process in the ratio of answer C. GFR and RPE. Next 95. In kidney of rabbit, loop of Henle, part of that nephron is found in answer A. Medulla. You find 94 answer C. GFR and RPE abbreviation and comment it. Next 96. The flame cells of planaria have the same function as that of answer C. Contractile vacuoles of amoeba. Next 97. No change in the composition of urine occurs in answer D. Cavity of the renal pelvis, ureter and urinary bladder. Next 98. Excretory product of fetus comes out through Answer C, both of these. 99. In the kidney of frog, the effective filtration pressure is? Answer C, 35 mm of Hg. Next 100. The snakes and birds are mainly? Answer D, eurycotelic. Thank you students. Let's see in next video. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Please comment any doubts. Thank you.
Hi students, welcome to Prabhacharan Academy channel. In this video, we will learn about excretory system, part 3. Let's start. 101. The elimination of the insoluble calcium phosphate takes place by the? Answer D, kidneys. Next 102. In marine, teleosts, Na plus and Cl minus ions are excreted by? Answer A, gills. Next 103. Kidney stone is produced due to? Answer C, crystallization of oxalates. 104. The term urine can be first used in? Answer C, collecting tubule. 105. Diabetes mellitus is a disease due to deficiency of insulin and is characterized by increased excretion of? Answer D, glucose. Next 106. The pronephric and mesonephric type of kidneys open in? Answer D, body coelom. Next 107. The main substance secreted by the renal tubules into the lumen in mammals are? Answer D, all of these. Answer A, K plus, hippuric acid. Next B, ammonia. C, creatinine and little uric acid. Next 108. Glucose is completely absorbed in? Answer D, proximal convoluted tubule. Next 109. The volume of urine formed daily in a normal man is? 500 ml to 2 liter. Next 110. Animals which excreted a large amount of NH3 are? Answer B, aquatic. Next 111. Which blood vessels contains the least amount of urea? Answer B, renal vein. Next 112. Diameter of afferent arteriole entering the Bowman's capsule is? Answer C, more than that of efferent arteriole. Next 113. Trimethylamine oxide is the excretory substance mainly of? Answer B, marine teleosts. Next 114. When a person is suffering from poor renal reabsorption, which one of the following will not help maintenance of blood volume? Answer D, increased atrial pressure in kidneys. 115. The reabsorption of water in the tubules of nephron takes place by? Answer D, active transport. Next 116. The chief nitrogenous waste in the urine of frog is? Answer B, urea. Next 117. In aquatic organism, the end product of nitrogen exchange is? Answer A, ammonia. Next 118. The plasma resembles in its composition with the filtrate produced by the glomerulus except for the presence of? Answer D, proteins. Next 190. Desert snakes are mainly? Answer A, ammonotelic. Next 120. In rabbit the kidney is? Answer A, metanephric. Next 121. The artificial kidney operates on the principle of? Answer D, active transports. Next 122. When urine is passed out several fold more than the normal and there is no glucose in urine, the condition is referred to as? Answer B, diabetes insipidus. Next 123. The least toxic of nitrogenous waste is? Answer B, uric acid. Next 124. Excretion of bile pigments in urine indicates? Answer A, jaundice. Next 125. The urine of frog under normal condition does not contain glucose because? Answer C, glucose in the glomerular filtrate is reabsorbed in the uriniferous tubules. Next 126. Osmoreceptors for renal control mechanism are situated in? Answer B, hypothalamus. Next 127. In mammalian kidney, blood from the efferent artery passes into the answer D. Peritubular capillaries. Next 128. In tubular secretion, the transported substance moved from answer A. Peritubular capillaries across tubular cells to tubular fluids. Next 129. The excreta of lizards and birds contain a white compound which is chemically answer C. Uric acid only. 130. Now, among vertebrates, glomeruli and likely to be absent or reduced in size and numbers in species living in answer C. Seawater and deserts. Next 131. Almost all the glucose and 80% water is absorbed in answer A. Proximal convoluted tubule. Next 132. Accessories excreted human organ is answer D. Skin, lung, liver and intestine. Next 133. In the kidney of rabbit, the cortex contains mostly dash and the medulla has answer A. Malpighian bodies while medulla has loop of Henle. Next 134. Amount of glomerular filtrate is per day is answer B. 180 liter. 135. In the kidney, the formation of urine involves the following process arranged as answer A. Glomerular filtration, reabsorption and tubular secretion. Next 136. The Bowman's capsule is answer D. A part of urininephros tubule and is a part of ultrafiltration of various blood constitutes during the formation of urine. Next 137. Urea is produced by the action of answer B. arginine. Next 138. Storage capacity of urinary blade is 150 to 300 ml. The proteolytic enzyme produced by kidney. Answer A. Renin. Next 140. The kidney resembles the contractile vacuoles of protozoans in answer A. Expelling out excess of water. 141. Chief nitrogenous waste is urine of rabbit and terrestrial mammal is answer A. Urea. Next 142. The mechanism of kidney function involves all of this: ultrafiltration and passive absorption. Answer C. Ultrafiltration, passive absorption and active transport. 144. Difference between glomerular filtration and blood plasma is of answer A. Proteins. Next 145. A severe fall in the blood pressure disturbs the function of kidney and reduces answer C. Renal filtration. Next 46. Volume of urine is regulated by answer B. Aldosterone and ADH. Next 147. Occurrence of excess urea in blood due to kidney failure is answer B. Uremia. Next 148. Ornithine cycle performs answer C. Urea formation in liver. Next 149. The cells named podocytes occurs in answer A. Inner wall of Bowman's capsule. At last 150. Hemodialysis is also called artificial. Answer D. All of the above. Answer A. Liver. B. Lungs. C. Blood plasma. Thank you students. Let's see in next video. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.